Love is in the air, and so are the smells of fine dining and decadent desserts. We're celebrating Valentine's Day with a special Top 10 episode, an episode that will put you right in the direction of Cupid's arrow, and it all starts here on Inside the Kitchen. Welcome to Inside the Kitchen, the only show where we showcase the best recipes by the best home cooks in the game. I'm your host, CookingwithPatLee, and let's not waste any more time. We're here to show you the top 10 recipes that'll get you right for Valentine's Day, set the mood, and get your belly satisfied. Classy, sophisticated, and elegant. The perfect words to describe the chef and her specialty Pink Lady cocktail. Chef Z's drink will get you nice and right to start off your date night. Grab a glass and let's toast to this amazing drink. Now, I've never heard of a Caribbean rum pasta, but Jerk Tavern has my interest piqued. This is one of those recipes that needs attention and pronto. This island-style twist on a culinary classic dish takes the popular penne alla vodka and turns it up with flavor. Pair it up with some crispy chicken and you got a match made in foodie heaven. Vic be cooking and Vic be having us hungry. This creamy and cheesy garlic stuffed chicken has us in the feels. Rich, illustrious flavor, a gorgeous sear, and the pasta for the finishing touch? Make this for her, and fellas, I'm just saying, free game. Garlic and herb mussels are perfect for Valentine's Day, and this recipe by the legendary Breeze Heat is where it's at. Pair it with some bread and a little olive oil and it's a wrap. Go to her page for the recipe, you don't want to miss out. A reverse seared ribeye with lobster mashed potatoes? You know we couldn't have a list without the great Ashley Brand. This is the kind of recipe that you make for the man that pays all the bills and treats you like a queen. A dish worthy of the finest restaurants? Get yourself right with this date night delight. Craving something sweet? Get those cravings satisfied right with this chocolate strawberry pudding from the one and only Slider Guy. Turn up the charm with this dessert that will be the icing on the cake after a romantic night out, or if you're feeling a little decadent in your routine, make this one immediately. Sweet potato ravioli wasn't planned on my bingo card, but I wish it were because this soulful take on an Italian classic looks absolutely masterful. The sauce looks magnificent, a true home run if there ever was one. Hats off to you, chef. This was pure art. Looking for an easy, simple, delicious dessert for the lover in you? Make this ooey gooey cookie from Kirby's Kitchen, a perfect cute dessert for two, or if you're looking for something for Valentine's Day, this is the one. Next to a whiskey sour, the French 75 has become my favorite drink, and this blueberry lavender French 75 from Lexi Lou was calling my name. Friends, slide me a little glassy glass because this one will get you right tonight. I'm definitely making this. And closing off this list is the chef who, in my opinion, made the Valentine's Day recipes popular. Chef Darius's red wine braised short ribs are tender, fall off the bone deliciousness. His recipes are always made with love, and this one will definitely get you in his or her good graces. Get those pans hot and ready because this one's cooking with gas. That about wraps up another exciting episode of Inside the Kitchen. If you know somebody or if you feel you deserve to be in the top 10, comment below or simply use the hashtag ITKTop10. For all of us here at Inside the Kitchen, I'm your host, CookingwithPatLee, once again reminding you to keep those pans hot and your flavor game strong. And until the next time we feast, peace.